Today, we've got some exciting news for all you tech enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the latest updates on the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Stick around because you won't want to miss what Samsung has in store for us this time. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the cover display. There was a bit of a stir recently when a leaked spec sheet suggested that the Galaxy Z Flip 6 might have an LCD cover display. Understandably, fans were concerned. An LCD cover display would have been a step down from the AMOLED panels we've come to expect from Samsung's premium devices. However, we've got some good news. Sources have confirmed to Samobile that this information was incorrect. It turns out the spec sheet had a typo. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 will indeed feature AMOLED panels both inside and out, just like its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Flip 5. So what can we expect from the cover display on the Galaxy Z Flip 6? Well, it seems Samsung is sticking with the tried and true. The cover display will have a 3.4-inch diagonal, the same unique folder-like shape, and a 60Hz refresh rate. While some competing Chinese foldable phones are offering higher refresh rates on their cover displays, Samsung is likely saving that upgrade for a future model. Now let's dive into the hardware upgrades. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is set to be a powerhouse. It will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, one of the latest and greatest in mobile processing. This chip will ensure that the Z Flip 6 runs smoothly and efficiently, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or just browsing. There will be two RAM variants available, 8GB and 12GB. This means you'll have plenty of memory to handle all your apps and tasks without any hiccups. Plus, with more RAM, you can expect better performance overall. For all you photography enthusiasts, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 has you covered. It will feature a 50-megapixel primary rear camera. This is a significant upgrade from the previous model and promises to deliver stunning photos with great detail and color accuracy. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or just your everyday moments, the Z Flip 6 will help you take your photography to the next level. Battery life is always a crucial factor, and Samsung hasn't overlooked this. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 will come with a 4000 mAh battery. That's 300 mAh more than the Flip 5, giving you extra juice to get through your day. With a larger battery, you can enjoy using your phone for longer without constantly worrying about finding a charger. On the software front, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will run Android 14 right out of the box, along with Samsung's One UI 6.11. This combination will provide a smooth and user-friendly experience with plenty of customization options. But that's not all. Samsung is also introducing some new Galaxy AI features. These features are designed to enhance your overall experience, making your phone smarter and more intuitive. While we don't have all the details yet, we can expect these AI features to come to existing devices through a software update. Another standout feature of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is its long-term support. Samsung is committing to 7 years of OS and security updates for this device. This is a big deal because it means your phone will stay up to date with the latest features and security patches for years to come. It's great to see Samsung providing such extensive support for their devices. Mark your calendars because Samsung will be unveiling the Galaxy Z Flip 6 on July 10 in Paris. This launch event is sure to be packed with exciting announcements and demonstrations of the new device. We can't wait to see what else Samsung has in store for us. So, there you have it. A sneak peek at the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. With its AMOLED cover display, powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, impressive camera, larger battery, and long-term software support, this device is shaping up to be one of the best foldables on the market. What do you think about the Galaxy Z Flip 6? Are you excited about the upgrades? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit: China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.